Dr. Susan Sharma here from Medskl, where we help high school students explore a career in medicine. What white eye lesion caused the lead singer of the Alabama Shakes, Brittany Howard, to lose her vision and caused the death of her sister Jamie at the age of 11? Was it a cataract, a melanoma, or a retinoblastoma? The first on our list is cataract. We all have lenses in our eyes that help focus light rays on the retina to see properly. A cataract is a lens that is cloudy. As a cataract progresses, blurred vision occurs. If dense, it can cause blindness. Cataracts can rarely develop in children, and most people with this condition are elderly. Cataract is treated with surgery and is not associated with premature death. Melanomas are pigmented tumors. These cancerous tumors arise from the pigmented cells called melanocytes. Most melanomas arise on the skin, and while the majority of pigmented skin lesions are benign, any new, changing, or unusual lesions should be evaluated for possible melanoma. Melanocytes also exist deep to the photoreceptors of the retina. These cells help absorb aberrant light energy and prevent retinal damage. In some people, melanocytes can proliferate, creating an ocular melanoma. These are usually seen in the back of the eye and are treated with radioactive bands called plaques. Melanomas are generally not seen in children. Retinoblastoma is a rare tumor of the eye. It typically presents in toddlers to young children with a white pupil. Parents will often notice one pupil being orange and the other white in a photo. This is an aggressive tumor that arises from retinal photoreceptors. It can quickly grow to occupy most of the eye. Retinoblastoma has a genetic basis and can be seen in families. Additionally, it can affect both eyes and the brain. Untreated, it can cause death. Sadly, this is the condition that caused blindness in Brittany and led to the death of her sister, Jamie. Here are some important clinical points to remember. A white pupil is not normal and warrants urgent assessment at any age. Given retinoblastoma usually presents in one eye, a child with one orange pupil and one white pupil should be considered to have retinoblastoma. Emergent medical attention should be sought. Family members of anyone with retinoblastoma need to be assessed.
If you're a high school student watching this in class, tell your teacher there's a free lesson plan for this video at stemmd.org. If you're a science teacher looking for free weekly lesson plans built around celebrity diagnoses, grab yours at stemmd.org. If you're a medical student or physician looking for world-class clinical education, visit Medskl.com. And of course, if you're a high school student or pre-med in college who's interested in a career in medicine, visit Premedskl.com.